Welcome to another part of us renovating our apartment. And as you saw in the past video, we already transformed 2 rooms by putting the laminate floor on them, and I think that gave them the absolute gorgeous look away from this ugliness. So in this video we are gonna tackle up this project, make also the hallway look much better. We did get the same laminate, so this whole apartment will have the same color, same look. I think this is gonna make it look clean and nice. Since it's not the biggest, you don't want to have too many accents, too many different woods. So we're gonna get started with the floor over here, and then we're gonna get on and add the sideboards on the floor in the whole apartment. So let's get started with this floor.
So we have gotten this far. This part of the hallway is done. Now we have the main entrance part. So the last pretty much part of the floor we need to do. Here we had to cut off first of all because they didn't match with the living room, and second of all because here is a change of elevation. So it's a bit of a drop here like this. So that's going to be a big problem. We did buy this one, which is meant for cables, but you can drill it on the floor and it's plastic, so it can flex nicely on the shape and hopefully cover it up. This imperfection somehow. I didn't find anything better. All of the steps were precise, like precisely going down and on a straight square like you'd put on a doorstop. So this wouldn't work here. So we went for something like this. So let's now finish off this last part and see how we're gonna connect these two together. And then it should look pretty.
It's so crazy that you don't remember how it looked before. Like once you cover it, and you see the beauty, you forget how it looked before. Honestly, white with wood and gray doesn't look that bad. It's kind of looking cool, no? Like the combo, like the gray with brown and white.
Go with that paint as well for frames and doors. Doesn't look bad, does it?
No, it looks pretty nice. I don't know. It doesn't fit like perfectly a full piece.
Yeah.
But also not like in a manageable size. Is that not covered by the thingy? Or is that too much to ask?
No, that's too much. We're gonna add like this here.
What?
The cutaway.
The tiny little...
This little cutaway. Yes.
Oh, yes.
We need 8 of those only. Which doesn't add up because we're not getting 8 of them, we only have 3. So yesterday we finished the floor till here. We have a tiny piece here that we need to do, but we have some boards left. We have 5 or 6 boards left, so we are just gonna go in the closet here and do the closet floor as well, since it would be nice to have that done. This part here was the biggest problem because it was going up, and we did connect it quite nicely, put some extra foam. We put the darker foam, which is a more harder foam, and it is pretty good. I'm not guaranteeing that it's gonna last forever, and yes, this thing is meant for cables to run under, but in theory it does the same job. So we'll see how long this lasts, otherwise we'll tackle it and fix it off after, but I think it is doing good. We can walk all over it and it's kind of doing all right. So yeah, that is difficult to fix on a quick time without pouring a cement like a slope upwards, because it's a different height of kind of concrete blocks, a big mess. So let's now clean out these doors. We're probably going to install this second door here, since there's another door meant to go here. We're going to give that a clean, install it, put handles on it, see if it closes nicely and if it works, and take the other doors away and put the bathroom door back on and clear out the other things, clean it and put the floor in. I think that's going to look a lot better as well with new floors.
Okay. Wait, no. Yes, okay. What does it stink?
The handle or the door?
Something smells weird.
That is the handle.
No, something from in there.
Can a handle stink?
No, something from the room. Yeah, I think it's a door. Literally has a bit of a stink.
A little bit like this. Yeah, that is difficult.
Okay, well that was much easier than I expected. I don't know, in my head putting a door in was like a lot of work. But like, I didn't sound like you...
That's a bit old.
It's a bit of tight. You open a door to open a door, and then you open that door and then it goes further, like 5 doors?
Should have 5 doors. It's a bitty.
On the tight side, but...
Needs a bit of olive oil.
Okay, so that's all that was?
From installing the door?
Yeah.
I don't know what you expected.
So, as you can see, we have put on the door. Is it actually working now?
Yeah.
Okay, because before you said that it's hitting the other
Other
door?
way around it.
Oh,
I
no.
don't know.
Okay,
This
no.
way it closes.
Oh, I guess. Okay, so that is working, more or less. Probably needs a new handle or just like a bit of WD-40 in here, just to make it better, but you can always change this one. Later on, you can just buy the whole thing. And now we wanted, as we said, to do the floor into the closet, but there's a lot of things that could be done in the closet, such as it still has the old wallpaper and things, so putting a new floor in a room like that kind of feels wrong. So now we're here in this dilemma of like, how far do we want to push this project? How far do we want to go with it? We at the start discussed and said we're just going to do the bare minimum, like the main things, such as painting the wall, like ripping, painting, and doing the floors, so we make it nice and livable. And all the rest of the things, such as the inside of the closet, painting doors, and all of those things could be done later on as he moves in. But also turns out that for the past 1.5 months, he has the keys for the apartment for 1.5 months and he still doesn't have electricity. So in theory, he can't live in it. So in theory, we could still work in it because he's still living with us. So we could still just do some work since he anyways is not living in here. So now we're like, how far do we want to go with this project? Because do we want to learn from our previous mistakes, like do things a bit more properly, even though, yes, okay, you can come for us, we have not done the most proper work. We could have done it way better, but that would also take months, as it took in our house. It took many months and even years to do like the last touch-up things. So yeah, are we putting too much effort in here and not enough in our house? Because in our house we also have a lot of loose corners, a lot of things that need to be addressed, a lot of things that need to be done. But then at the end of the day, are you interested on us doing this project a bit more properly and adding a bit of extra effort to do a little bit more on touch-ups? So yeah, that's what we have been discussing for the past hour with David, like how far do we want to push this project? Yeah, so yeah, that's why we haven't continued with the floor. So I guess this is gonna be it with this video. We're gonna end it here since we are probably gonna be tackling on this whole closet project just to do it properly. I mean, if we don't do it now, I doubt that it's gonna get done later on. So whatever we do now is gonna stay. So I really don't think he's gonna take it on later on. He's gonna get comfy with it like everyone does and just call it it. So unless we do it now, I don't think it's gonna ever get done. So might as well just tackle it on and get one more video for you out, guys. So yeah, let us know what you think. Let us know if you are enjoying it, what your ideas, opinions. I know these videos are going up much later than when we're filming them, but yeah. Sorry if that video was short. I hope you enjoyed, and we're gonna see you in the next one, probably tackling this closet space. Because I think we decided just to rip the wallpaper and give it a full-on fresh up and then just lay the floors. So, hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. And should we also paint those doors? We do have the paint. Oh, so much.